question 2. We're throwing our stone up vertically. It's going straight up here at 21 meters per second. And of course it's then going to go down and land on the ground. So if we go vertically here again, we start with u equals 21. The bit that we're testing here is that at the top there you need to know that v is equal to 0. A is minus 9.8. S is what I'm trying to find out. So I think we're going to use a v squared equals u squared plus 2as here. Now we've got 0 equals 21 squared plus 2 lots of minus 9.8 times s. So I'm going to add this to both sides and do 441 divided by that. 441 divided by 19.6 gives me that the distance, the maximum distance that it goes to is 22.5 meters into the air. Try and find out how long it takes. Well, then I'm just going to try and find out what the t is. And I'm going to add that in there. And I'm going to use actually a v equals u plus at to do that. So I've got a 0 equals 21 minus 9.8t. And so t here is equal to, it's about 2.15, 2.14. Now, be careful, because that isn't the whole length that it's in the air. All I've done is find out how long it takes to get to the top there. To get down to the bottom again, I'm going to need to times that by 2. And so the time for the whole journey is actually 4.29 seconds. We've got that. The alternative way of doing that is by using an s equals ut plus half at squared. And s, when it hits the ground down the bottom here, is actually going to be 0. And so I've got 0 equals 21t minus 4.9t squared, 4.9 being half of 9.8. And then I could factorize out the t there. I've got t lots of 21 minus 4.9t. And if you do 21 divided by 4.9, then you get directly to that answer there. Doesn't matter which way you go, but sometimes if you've already done some maths to find out what the highest point is, it's quicker to go that way than it is this way here. So 2 ways of doing the same question and getting the same answer.